In the world of heavy machinery, every component counts, but some play an especially critical role in ensuring consistent performance. Among these, the fuel injection pump is indispensable. The Plunger pump R021000SR-HPV118HW26B EFI electronic fuel injection pump is specifically designed to deliver precision fuel management for excavators, helping maintain optimal engine efficiency and operational reliability even in the toughest conditions. At its core, this pump combines advanced engineering with robust construction. The R021000 paired with the SR-HPV118HW26B configuration is purpose-built for heavy-duty excavator engines requiring EFI systems. The reinforced plunger mechanism is capable of withstanding high-pressure operation, while the EFI, electronic fuel injection, system ensures precise timing and consistent fuel delivery. The result is smoother engine performance, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions, which are all critical factors for construction and excavation work. Excavators often operate in extreme environments: mud, dust, temperature fluctuations, and continuous heavy workloads. Standard fuel pumps may struggle under these conditions, leading to inconsistent fuel supply, engine misfires, or even complete engine failure. The electronic fuel injection system in this plunger pump is designed to mitigate these challenges, providing reliable fuel delivery that keeps engines running smoothly and efficiently regardless of environmental stressors. Durability is a standout feature of this pump. Its components are manufactured to endure long-term stress and maintain performance under constant high-pressure operation. The plunger and other critical elements are constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring that the pump can withstand prolonged use without premature wear. Moreover, EFI technology allows for precise monitoring and diagnostics, giving operators the ability to identify potential issues early and prevent costly downtime. This pump also excels in versatility. It is compatible with a wide range of excavator models that require EFI systems, which simplifies maintenance and reduces the need for multiple replacement parts. This universality is particularly advantageous for fleet operators, as it allows for streamlined inventory management and fewer interruptions in equipment availability. Efficiency is another key advantage. Fuel costs are a major factor in construction and excavation projects, and optimizing fuel usage can translate to significant savings. The EFI system in this pump delivers precise amounts of fuel at the optimal time, maximizing combustion efficiency and minimizing waste. For operators managing multiple machines, even incremental improvements in fuel efficiency can lead to substantial reductions in operational costs over time. Maintenance is simplified compared to older mechanical fuel injection systems. EFI technology enables more accurate diagnostics, allowing technicians to quickly pinpoint and address performance issues. This minimizes unplanned downtime and reduces repair delays, which is essential in projects with tight schedules and high operational demands. Operators often report smoother engine startups, more stable power output, and reduced vibration when switching to EFI-based pumps like this. Performance is where this pump truly demonstrates its value. By maintaining consistent fuel pressure, the R021000 ensures steady engine output under heavy workloads. Excavators perform critical tasks such as lifting, digging, and transporting materials, all of which demand reliable engine performance. By providing consistent fuel injection, this pump prevents irregular combustion and undue wear, extending engine life while maintaining optimal power levels. For companies operating large fleets or heavy machinery, investing in a high-quality fuel injection pump is an investment in operational reliability. A dependable pump reduces the likelihood of unexpected downtime, lowers maintenance costs, and ensures that machinery performs at peak levels. The combination of durability, precision, and efficiency makes this plunger pump an essential component for professional excavation and construction operations. In addition to mechanical and operational advantages, there are clear economic benefits. Efficient fuel usage and reduced downtime directly impact the bottom line. By minimizing unburned fuel and emissions, this pump contributes to both cost savings and environmental compliance. Its long-lasting design reduces the need for frequent replacements, lowering lifecycle costs for machinery and increasing overall operational efficiency. Environmental considerations are becoming increasingly important in heavy machinery operations. Optimized fuel delivery helps reduce emissions and unburned hydrocarbons, supporting cleaner and more environmentally responsible operation. Adopting components like this plunger pump aligns with modern sustainability goals while maintaining top-tier equipment.